In the previous video, we will discuss about the link description, link connection description. We already discussed about the four parameters: link length, link twist, link offset, and joint angle. Now, in this video, we will discuss how to assign frames about the joint axis. The z-axis of a frame is always along the joint axis. In this link, red red arrow represent the joint axis I minus 1. So the frame I minus 1 joint axis are along this arrow. Similarly, green arrow represent the second joint axis. So for frame I, z axis along this joint angle, and our x-axis is always along the link length. So for link I minus 1, the x-axis along this link length a minus 1, and similarly for link I, the x-axis along this ai link length. And by using right hand thumb rule, we can know the direction of x-axis by using right hand thumb rule. So y axis is always perpendicular to xz plane, and we have two options to represent the direction of y axis: along this direction, or maybe in this direction. Similarly, y axis along this direction or to the bottom to this. Thus we can easily assign the frame to different links of a robot's mechanism. And this thing is always keep in mind that ai minus 1 means length of link I minus 1, the distance between from zi minus 1 to zi measured along the x I minus 1, and the link twist angle alpha I minus 1, the angle from z I minus 1 to z I measured about this axis x minus x I minus 1, and the distance link offset distance di, the distance from x I minus 1 to x I about measured along this axis z I minus. In this case, it's equal to di, and the joint angle theta is the angle between z I x I minus 1 and x I about the axis z I minus. And in special cases, if the constitutive joint axes are parallel, means if this axis and this axis zi minus 1 and zi are parallel to each other, then we have infinite mutually perpendicular distance, means link length uh, along the distance between these axes, because they are all already parallel to each other, and all lines are mutually perpendicular. And if the constituted joint axis, means this axis and this axis are intersected, then the link length is equal to 0, and the xi minus 1 is normal to the plane which contains these two axes. And not and important note that this convention does not result in a unique attachment of frames or to the link. And these four parameters which describe the link description and link connection descriptions are known as Dennett-Hartenberg parameters. In simple words, we can say that these are known as DH parameters.